Hello everyone! Today we are going to make beef broccoli in garlic sauce. This is a perfect weeknight dinner for the whole family. Here's everything you'll need. Let's start with 7 cloves fresh minced garlic. Cuts 2 heads of broccoli into florets. One-pound beef steak. In this recipe, I use round steak. Cut them into thin strips. We are going to season our beef with some garlic, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons white wine, salt and pepper to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Mix until everything is well combined. Set aside to marinate for half an hour. In a small bowl, we are going to make the sauce. We need 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Blanch broccoli in a boiling pot of water for 1 minute. Then soak in an ice bath for a couple minutes. Strain and dry. In a large skillet, heat avocado oil on high heat. Then add marinated beef. Let it sear for about 2 minutes, stirring continuously on your last 1 minute of cooking. You can now pour in the sauce. Combine with the meat and watch the sauce magically thicken. This should take another minute and your beef is ready to enjoy. By the way, let me know which country you're watching this video from, so I can see how far this video can go. Hello Anna from Atlanta, Emmeline Pillay from South Africa, and Jenny Passes from the Philippines. Thank you for watching. And that's how you make beef broccoli in garlic sauce. If you enjoyed this video, why not hit that like button? Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way soon. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking!